So my name is Ryan Hunt. I'm president of Champro Sports. We are a sporting goods manufacturing company. We've been in business for 32 years. So one of Champro's goals for last year was to more than double our sublimation business. And we knew that we wouldn't be able to do it on our own, and we needed outside help. And we had to scale up our workforce faster than we would have ever been able to do ourselves. And Integrative Systems was able to take on that burden for us and actually really converted it into a competitive advantage. Integrative Systems was able to come in and provide the backroom office support that we needed in order to allow us to grow the business and do it in a way that we can maintain the cost base that we needed to for our customers. We were impressed by Integrative's technological capabilities because they were able to provide a sophisticated platform that served as a starting point for us as we developed this team in their facility. As we were making a final decision in regard to who we were going to work with, we interviewed several companies, and Integrative Systems was clearly more responsive and understood what we needed far better than any of the other companies with whom we spoke. The management team has continued to be responsive and always available to answer questions that we have and respond to concerns that we've had. We've also had complete accessibility to the team that's doing the direct work. We've had visibility to how they're accomplishing it, and we interact with them on a daily basis in a very seamless manner, as if they were part of the team that we have here in the U.S. The post-implementation working relationship that we've had with Integrative Systems has been an absolute joy. Since we started working with Integrative Systems, one of the great successes that we've had is the partnership that we've had in being on a constant path to process improvement. From day one, we were able to benefit from expertise that they brought in from working with other clients in the past. Their team has been amazingly professional and sophisticated in supporting us in virtually every need that we've had. They've had a very good level of intuition and understanding the issues that we're working to resolve, and they've been very vested in resolving them, and they are highly vested and motivated in making sure that we succeed as a company. Our two teams have built a dynamic relationship, and we've been able to respond seemingly immediately to any variances in needs through constant communication. That's really been the driving force in the success of this relationship. I think one of the great things about the relationship that we have with Integrative Systems at this point is that we aren't afraid of growth. We've experienced tremendous growth just in the 2 years that we've been working with Integrative, and they've been highly responsive to that growth and have been very clear that they're ready to grow with us into the future. Technology is moving faster and faster, and we find that we really benefit from having a partner that is technologically adept and can provide the support and nurture our processes to help us to continue to develop as a country and be competitive in our marketplace. I would highly recommend Integrative Systems for their technological and back office expertise. This is the sort of partner that we need for our business.